Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Camping Lantern by GlobaLink. It's an LED rechargeable camping light, as you can see. Whoa, but not enough. It's solar powered if you like, or you can use the USB powered collapsible tent light with first aid whistle, camping lamp for outdoor hiking, tent, garden, emergency charger for all smartphones out there, if you have the right cable. Included are the micro USB to USB cable, okay? It's USB rechargeable and solar powered built-in 800 mAh lithium battery. This allows charging the lantern. Recharge via solar power or USB. You can choose. The GlobaLink lantern lights offers a dual rechargeable methods to keep the LED lantern lamp powered up for longer. The camping lantern also can be charged as a power bank via the USB port of our phones or other devices. It's a 2-in-1 multifunction device. Why choose this LED camping light? It's lighter, smaller, and more efficient, as you can see. When it's open, it is a lantern, which are great for diffuse 360 degrees lighting. Setting a lantern on the table or hanging it from the top of our tent. These are both great uses for the diffuse circumferential light. It also can be folded as a powerful mini flashlight, as you can see. It is perfect, such as walking down a trail or walking on the car. And with foldable and portable design. The portable and durable, extremely handy and space-saving, very lightweight and sturdy handle make it a perfect companion for outdoor activities like camping, traveling, adventure, or a light source for late-night reading. For its small size, the camping light can be easily carried in a bag or a backpack. And we have 3 light modes. There are 3 light modes of the tent light, including low, high brightness level, and SOS flashing mode, which will meet most of our need even in an emergency. Only one button for all functions. You push one, that means dimmed. Then brighter, then flashing, then off. And a survival bracelet with whistle included. A whistle is for signal delivery. Survival bracelet are prepared for any emergency. Stretchy material makes it fit for small and large wrist. It is also handy to wear it on and off. If we have no fire there, we can use the splint. It's really cool adventure time with that product. Of course, you cannot go diving with it. It is not waterproof, so take care a little bit of water. But the functions are really cool. Really, really cool. I like them. If the night gets longer in the outdoor and we do not want to break off the conversation, sooner or later a camping light will be needed to emphasize the wonderful atmosphere. A good lighting when camping is now part of the standard equipment of the professional outdoor friends. And there are good reasons. If we are looking for a pocket knife or the extra warm jacket and we want to charge our smartphone in the twilight, this camping lamp here is our best friend for that. For decades, it is the loyal companion of many camping friends. This is not only ideal for nocturnal hikes and discovery tours of forests and fields, but it comes to create cozy reading light on the camping table or bring the light to the interior of the tent and be powered up from a limitless power source that is literally everywhere. The sun, featuring bright and energy efficient LED lights, We do no need to worry about running out of the battery power or finding a power source to recharge. The solar rechargeable light by itself would make a great job of it. GlobaLink Solar Lantern goes further with several innovative and versatile features that makes it the perfect item for camping, hiking, outdoor activities, and in case of emergency, of course. Really cool. That's really cool. I like it really much. The maximum luminous flux is 65 lumen. In high lightning mode, the maximum luminous flux in low light is 25 lumen. The working time after full charge in high lightning is awesome 5 hours. And the working time after fully recharged in low lightning is awesome 10 hours. This is a long time of working time. The working time after fully charged flashlight is 6 hours, okay? The high lightning time after 1 hour charging under the sunlight is 15 minutes in 500 watt M2. That's really awesome because the sun is for free out there. And flashing time is 35 minutes and the low lightning is 30 minutes. There is a 3.7 volt built-in battery with 800 milliampere hour polymer lithium battery. Okay, the input voltage is Q and 5 volt 4 milliampere. The fully charged time via USB input cable is approximately 5 hours, and the sun can recharge this panel approximately in 20 hours. The LED specifications are 1 watt, 120 up to 140 lumen. And you get everything what you need and you can have fun with it. You can use it for reloading by the sun, or you use an USB source. That's cool. That's really cool. This is the awesome. I like it really much. The GlobaLink Solar Power Bank Lantern. That's cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.